how to fix your Discord login error in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is check your credentials. You want to make sure that you're entering the correct email and your password, because passwords are also case sensitive. If that is not the case, you want to go to status.discord.com on any browser that you prefer using to check if the servers are up and running. If that is not the case, you might also need to simply go ahead and head into your settings, advanced, and then clear cache, or even check your internet connection. You want to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can also try restarting your router. If you use any kind of VPN, simply go ahead and disable those. And if your application has any pending updates, simply go ahead and update it from your App Store or Play Store. If that is not the case, you can also try restarting your device or go to settings, dates and time, and make sure that automatic is enabled. If nothing works, you might need to simply go ahead and try to reset your network settings or even try incognito. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.